and today I'm going to show you some of the activities and games that you can do with your toddlers and preschoolers at home. So the first game we're going to play is called What is Missing? So what you need are the following. You can choose your baby's favorite toys. For now, I'm going to use Gymboree, the bean bag, a butterfly, a bee, and a spider. And you also need a blanket to cover these objects. So what you're gonna do is let your baby see first and let your baby repeat the names of the different toys or objects, just like Gymboree, spider, bee, butterfly, and beanbag. And now this time I'm going to cover it with a blanket, and at the count of 3 I will let my baby guess what's missing. Okay, so baby, can you please close your eyes? Okay, 1, 2, 3. What's missing? Can you tell me? Can you remember? What is missing here? Yes, that's right! Gymboree is missing! Yes, good job! Gymboree is missing! Here you are! Next one is by using flashcards. So you can use less flashcards for younger babies. You can use 2 pairs of flashcards. I have here a butterfly, and behind the butterfly is a window. And then I have ice creams, and behind the ice cream is a frog. So first you show your babies the flashcards. So this is our frog, and behind the frog is an ice cream. And then we have a window, and behind the window is a butterfly. So let's try memory game. Who's ready? Okay, so what is this?
Butterfly.
That's right. And do you remember what is behind the butterfly?
Window.
You're right. Okay, and we have here, what do you call these ones?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Yum, yum. Do you remember what is behind the ice cream?
Frog.
That's right, frog. And then you can turn around and try. What is behind the window?
Butterfly.
You're right again. What is behind the frog?
Ice cream.
That's right. So enjoy. So the next game is very interesting because while the babies are doing movement, they get to learn about colors. So are you ready? So first, get your baby's favorite toy and think cars or Gymboree, and tell your baby to go and put Gymboree on top of the red color, on top of the yellow color, and you make sure that you have a starting line. Instruct your baby to go and put his or her toy. For now, we are using Gymboree on top of the different colored paper. So are you ready? Let's do it. Shaira, can you go and put Gymboree on top of the yellow paper? Yellow paper. So another way to play that game is by using numbers, which help your baby to recognize numbers. So let's try the numbers. So now baby Shaira is holding a spider. And then are you ready, baby Shaira? Yes, okay. Can you put the spider on top of number 2? Number 2. Can you find number 2? Yay! Thank you for watching. I hope you will enjoy the game at home with your little ones. See you next time. Bye.